Hey friends, this is Allie from Allie Scraps, and I'm here today to do a really fun collaboration video with my friend Hillary of Creative Faith & Co. I'm going to be using her really cute girl printable, summer girl printables. There's like 3 pages of these adorable girls and skirts and shorts, and they're just so much fun. And then I'm also going to be using a kit from my shop and some art starts. So the kit from my shop is the Mess to Message or Mess to Masterpiece, and it's a new art starts, so art starts volume 51. And so I've printed everything except for the easel and the scissors and the paintbrush on clear sticker paper. So the art starts are on clear sticker paper, the girls on clear sticker paper, and the only thing that's not are this easel. So I'm just doing kind of laying things out, figuring out where I want things to go. I like to cut the art starts in half. Sometimes you'll have them come off the page, just to kind of give it a look like I've started at the top of the page and come down, or at the bottom and went up. It just gives kind of even more of an artsy look. So just kind of laying it out. I wanted there to be some painting background, but I really wasn't sure how much I wanted to add. So just laying it all out, figuring out where I want it to go. And if I didn't say before, I am in 2 Corinthians and talking about how we are all a new creation in Christ. And so I really wanted to document that. Being, creative, an easel and a new creation just sounded really fun to me in that way. So just now putting down the art starts again on the clear sticker paper, and when it went off the edge a little bit, just trimmed it down. Really super easy. And yep, just placing everything as we go. Now, as you can probably see, there was art on the other side of the page that kind of bled through. You can kind of see through a little bit, and I did want to try to cover that up a little bit, which is why I used a couple more art starts than I normally would have, just so that it wasn't obvious and didn't detract from this page. So now I'm just trying to figure out where the paintbrush is going to go, how to get down the easel, but I'm just using my tape runner to put the easel down, making sure I do it on all the little bits that stick out. I'm just using the backing of the sticker paper to make sure I don't get any of that tape on the actual page and just on where I want the glue to be. So the clear sticker paper, release paper, so it doesn't hold the glue very well. So I wanted the easel to be in front of the girl because showing that you're a new creation, something new, something in front of. And now I'm just using some of my letter stickers from By the Well for God, and I wanted some that kind of matched the different colors, so the pink and the green, and I'm just using my ruler to kind of act as a straight edge, and so I can kind of space out the letters pretty well. It's one of my favorite tricks for letter stickers, just kind of placing everything on there, and that way I can see how much space I have, how much it takes up, and then they release really easily from that plastic ruler. So that's one of my favorite tricks. I also like to use laminated cards or like washi cards to do the same thing, but the ruler is what I had right there, so I used what I had. So it's going to say new creation in Christ, and I thought I would just do some hand lettering to kind of create a little contrast there between all of the letter stickers. But one of my goals this year is to actually use a lot more of my letter stickers because I tend to hoard them. So now I'm just like kind of, again for spacing, just using my pencil first and then going back in with a Sharpie pen to kind of outline everything just so it pops a little bit more. But I'm glad I did the pencil first because I probably would have spelled something wrong or spaced it out completely wrong if I hadn't done the pencil. That's what I tend to do. So again, this is a collaboration with Hillary from Creative Faith & Co. We are both using the same kits. So she's using the Mess to Message kit and I'm using her girls. And so be sure to check out her video. I will link it here. And be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.